what's up? We're at Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay, where we've been invited out to the Food and Wine VIP preview event. Let's go inside and see what's going on. No line to get in the park, but of course it is 4:30 and the park does close at 6 and it ends a Friday, so yeah. And the event's going to be going on weekends March 9th through the May 19th, and you can probably scan the QR code to see the complete menu and concert info. Alright, here's the entrance to the Busch Gardens Food and Wine Festival. You got some wine bottles on either side there with the red liquid coming out there, so you kind of got a Merlot, but yeah, here's the entrance. And over here is the map, so you can kind of see it runs towards excursions and then primarily into the field, so that area they always keep kind of gated there. That's where they have primarily all the booths. So you can see they got South Africa, Argentina, Australia, Italy, and then over here you can see what the keys mean. So they got food tasting, shopping, entertainment, that kind of thing. So yeah, here's the map. And they also have the concert lineup starting March the 9th. You can see this Saturday is the Goo Goo Dolls and Sunday is the Starship. Alright, here we go. Little photo op over here. I'm gonna quit saying photo ops, but you get the idea, guys. And here's all the booths on the festival parkway inside here by Arangwazi at least. And let's get started eating on these booths. Booth number 1, South Africa, we have boba Thai, bunny chow, lemon meringue pie, and yeah, by the way, they're marked here if it's gluten-free, vegan, nuts, or shellfish, so yeah.
Alright. What's up? If you need the fan. Alright.
Looks like booth 2 for South Africa has all the drinks here, so you got all the wines, and then you got some liquor drinks. Like it said on the map here, you got some merchandise booths. Over here you got some little musical instruments and then some decorative items. Booth number 4, Argentina. We got beef chimichurri, chicken empanada, and mango flan. Booth 5 is chili, so you got ceviche, Latin influenced grilled beef, dulce de leche cake, and then you have all these wines here. Booth 6 is New Zealand, so we have Kiwi Marinated Grilled Lamb, Strawberry Lamington, and New Zealand Green Lip Mussels, and also the drinks. Over at Booth 7 Australia, we have watermelon salad, green curry, chicken pie, macadamia nut tart, and then all the wines. Booth 8 is Canada, so we have hot smoked salmon sandwich, it's a mouthful, Halifax Donair, and Timbits, and then we have all the other items. It's really nice because all the booths are decorated to their corresponding country. So this one's Canada. So it's got the Canadian flag, the maple leaf there, so really nice. And I don't know if you guys remembered from previous years where they had the person painting. I'm guessing this is what's going to be happening over here. So yeah, it looks like they've already got one done. Over here you have booth 11, so it's going to be moonshine. You have all the moonshines here. You got Marmalade Mayhem, Banana Breeze, Cat 5 Coconut, and a PB&C Cannonball. So you got a single neat is $14.99 and a tasting is $22.99. Here is booth 12, which is Spain. You have albondigas, chicken saffron rice, churros, and then below here it looks like you have all the wine, so that's those. And of course you have your non-alcoholic beverages, so you have Dasani and Coke. got another big display over here. It could also be a photo op, so it's got the wine and the big old food and wine festival sign. Over at booth 13, France, we have cassoulet, ratatouille, vanilla cream puff, and then you can see the wines here. Over at Italy, we have puttanesca fusilli, chicken marsala, chocolate chip cannoli, and then here's the wines. So over here in the Coca-Cola areas where they're going to be holding all the smaller live bands, so that's going to go right in here. So while you're eating and everything, you can enjoy that, have a little seat and all that. USA, USA, booth 15. So yeah. Got the lobster roll, crab cakes, and then all these other drinks here. Booth 16 also has the strawberry shortcake and then apple pie a la mode. Another one, yeah, so another photo op. This is over by booth 15 and 16. And then right around the corner there, they got another one too. And then here's some more of the paintings from the previous year. So you got the rhino and then the gator, and then you got the giraffes. Well, that's going to do here today from Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay for the Food and Wine Festival preview event. So yeah, the event's going to be starting tomorrow. But we got kind of a taste of what's going to be happening. I got to say the star of the show was the dessert. So that's going to be the dulce de leche cake and also that lemon meringue pie dessert. And yeah, so they're going to be having concerts, they got merchandise, and a ton of drinks to pair with those delicious food items. But yeah, so come and check it out. It's going on till May there. And other than that, you guys know we'll be back to the park, of course. And yeah, follow our socials, guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!